Hello, welcome back to English class. Let's start a new lesson from your hornbill. The name of the lesson is Discovering Truth. The saga continues. Saga means long story, and its writer is A.R. Williams. Before starting, before introducing, I would like to request you to lend me your ears, eyes, as well as minds also. And you need to know the history of Egypt, the land of pharaohs and pyramids, its conquest and decline, the triumph of Ahmose first, Ahmose first, spearheaded a policy of conquest. Conquest means the act of taking control of a country and its people by force. So the triumph of Ahmose first spearheaded a policy of conquest during the reign of the pharaohs of the early 18th dynasty. The regime lasted many years and produced the most splendid period of Egyptian history, with an empire extending from the Sudan in the south to the Euphrates River, including Palestine and Syria. The other famous rulers of this dynasty were Thutmose first, Thutmose first, from 1530 BC to 1500 BC. He was succeeded by Thutmose II, who married his half-sister Hatshepsut, Hatshepsut. His death in about 1490 BC, whose death is referred to here, Thutmose II, brought a vast change in the Egyptian policy of expansion. Unlike her husband, so there is change, understood? Unlike her husband, not like. Unlike her husband, Hatshepsut, Hatshepsut, she devoted her energies and state sources to improve life in Egypt. She encouraged merchants, craftsmen, artisans, etc. to excel in their respective fields. She even put hordes of prisoners to work in engineering projects. Due to her efforts, people enjoyed a high standard of life in Egypt. Among the many works she undertook, the tombs of Hatshepsut survive still. But her policy of maintaining peace had weakened the empire. When Thutmose III, 1480 BC to 1450 BC, became the pharaoh, he reverted the policy and was known as aggressive ruler. He changed the policy. He had recaptured Palestine and Syria. He had set up permanent military garrisons in the conquered cities. His policies were continued by his successors also. The next pharaoh whose reign is of special interest was Amenhotep IV, Amenhotep IV, or Akhenaton, Akhenaton. My dear students, you should note down these names, because in the story Discovering Truth, the saga continues, you will come across the name of these rulers. Understood? So Amenhotep IV, और जो आपने को क्या कहलाते थे, Akhenaton. He succeeded in about 1375 BC to a splendidly rich kingdom, but he had very little interest in anything other than religious and social reform. And as the empire declined, as it became easy prey to Hittites, Amenhotep, Amenhotep, who resented the power of the priest, resented, RESENTED, you should consult dictionary to find out the meaning of resent. What did he express? He expressed his resentment So Amenhotep, who resented the power of the priest, adopted the worship of Aton with the sun as symbol. He introduced the idea of one god. He is also credited with introducing the first real civil service in Egypt. He made the governors in the various districts to record the proceedings of council meetings. His wife Nefertiti, Nefertiti, whose bust-sized portrait still survives in Egypt, was known for her beauty. After his death, after the death of Amenhotep, after his death, Akhenaton, my dear students, before Tut, who was the ruler? Akhenaton was succeeded by the boy ruler Tutankhamun. तो तुतानखामुन का ही नाम है तूत. अंडरस्टूड. Akhenaton के बाद तो Akhenaton was succeeded by the boy ruler. पैसिव वॉइस इज यूज्ड हियर. दैट मीन्स उनके बाद जो किंग आए उनका नाम क्या था? तुतानखामुन. Kamun, Tutankamun. He is popularly known as Tut, T-U-T. So Tutankhamun, who died very early, his tomb has become a subject of study and curiosity after it was opened in 1922 by Howard Carter. My dear students, that's why I have given you the introduction, so that you will be able to understand the story in a better way. That's why I have collected this from Wisdom, International Just Reader's Digest. Understood. And this article was published in the year 2009 in the month of November. So this is I have collected from my collection. So who became the king? Tutankhamun, and he died very early, and his death was shrouded in mystery, and mystery still is lingering. The mystery is not solved so far. And who started? The main person, Howard Carter, archaeologist. Understood. So his tomb has become a subject of study and curiosity after it was opened in 1922 by Howard Carter. Underline this line, my dear students. You should remember. The other lesser known rulers, lesser list. So comparative degree is used. The other lesser known rulers after Tutankhamun were Haremhot. Haremhot, understood, a military chief, Ramses I, and then his son Seti, S-E-T-I first. Seti first was known as a forceful ruler who tried to restore order in Egyptian rank and file. इसके बाद जिसका नाम आएगा ही इज ऑल्सो, उसका बारे में सेली अपना पोएम में लिख चुके हैं. द नेम ऑफ द पोएम इज ओजिमेंडाज. और वो जो रूलर कौन थे? ओजिमेंडाज, रैमसेस सेकेंड. इसके बाद रैमसेस सेकेंड आए, हु वाज फेराओ फ्रॉम अबाउट 1290 BC to about 1225 BC, was the son of Seti first. He is often referred to as Ramses the Great. He waged wars with Hittites, temporarily enjoyed success, but was again hit by Hittites, who overran Palestine. He faced trouble at home also, as the subjects were on the verge of revolt. He devoted an inordinate amount of time and labor in erecting vast monuments of himself. At Abu Simbel, he ordered the construction of a huge temple in the cliffs of the Nile Valley, and on the cliff face he had 4 statues of himself carved. इसी से आपका Ozymandias you can find out. Each over 60 feet in height. These were recently cut out of the cliff and raised to a position 200 feet higher so that the Great Aswan Dam could be completed in modern Egypt. Another of Ramses' monuments is in the hall of the temple at Karnak. While these feats of engineering were being undertaken by Ramses the Great, the pressing internal problems of Egypt were not being dealt with, and the decline of Egypt as a great civilization began during this long reign Raj. By the end of the 12th century BC, Egypt had been overrun by Libyans and Indo-Europeans, people who were also foreseeing the decline of Hittite, Mycenaean, Mycenaean, and early Indian civilizations. As a great and powerful empire, Egypt had come to the end of its influence, but we can see how the Egyptian culture affected subsequent civilizations, in particular the Assyrians. My dear students, you note down the term Assyrians, a capital letter. This term you will come across in your supplementary reader book snapshots. First lesson में Assyrians and Greeks term आपको मिलेगा. Assyrians and the Greeks, when we make a study of them too. So this is the history of Egypt, the land of Pharaoh and pyramids, conquest and its ultimate decline also. So we will come to know in the story Discovering Tut. The saga continues. You will come to know King Tut was a boy king of Egypt. Understood? He belonged to a very powerful royal dynasty that ruled Egypt for centuries. We have come to know from this very article. Understood? He was the last heir of his mighty kingdom. He was quite young when he sat on the throne. He ruled for about just 9 years. He believed in the old ways and tradition and tried to restore them. He died unexpectedly in youth. His untimely death gave birth to many speculations. He was laid to rest laden with gold and forgotten. His tomb was discovered in 1922. We have come to know from this very article, 1922, by a British archaeologist, and his name is Howard Carter, Carter. So let's start the first para from your Hornbill's books, Discovering third lesson, Discovering Tut, the saga continues, of A.R. Williams. He was just a teenager when he died. So now I think my dear students, you have understood which death is referred to here. Death of Tut. Understood? और उसका नाम हम लोग already we have come across the name. What was his name? Can anyone say? I think you know that his name was Tutankhamun. Tutankhamun. So he was, and thus very abrupt starting. It started with pronoun. Understood? It started with pronoun he. He was just a teenager when he died. Think about, he ruled for 9 years and he died also in his teens, late teens. That means you can say 17, 18, 19. Understood? He died also. So when he became the king, that is also a matter of great surprise. The last heir, H-E-I-R, heir means descendant of a powerful family. Already we have discussed powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. Since the discovery of his tomb in 1922, the modern world has speculated about what happened to him. This is a matter of mystery. It is shrouded in mystery. Happened to him, with murder being the most extreme possibility. Murder a extreme possibility, that means he was assassinated, he was killed, that was not natural death. Now, leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, Tooth has undergone a CT scan that offers new clues about his life and death and provides precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction of the boy's pharaoh. An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devils as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of the Kings. Dark-bellied clouds had scudded across the desert sky all day and now were veiling the stars in cascade grey. It was 6 p.m. on 5th January 2005, the world's most famous mummy glided head first into a CT scanner brought here to probe to judge the lingering medical mysteries of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. So here we are just to solve the mystery. Understood? So he was really very his death was shrouded in mystery, and that we want to know. Still speculation is on. Next para. All afternoon, the usual line of tourists from around the world had descended into the cramped rock-cut tomb some 26 feet underground to pay their respects. They gazed at the murals, paintings on the walls of the burial chamber and peered at Tut's gilded face, covered with gold. The most striking feature of his mummy-shaped outer coffin lid means cover. Some visitors read from guidebooks in a whisper. Others stood silently, perhaps pondering. They were thinking deeply. Tut's untimely death के बारे में in his late teens, or wondering with a shiver if the pharaoh's curse, death or misfortune falling upon those who disturbed him was really true. Next para, proceed. The mummy is in very bad condition because of what Carter did in 1920s, said Jahi Hawaz, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. As he leaned over the body for a long first look, Howard Carter, was the British archaeologist, already you have come to know the name, who in 1922 discovered Tut's tomb after years of fruitless searching, paying no result, yielding no result. Searching its contents, though hastily ransacked in antiquity, were surprisingly complete. They remain the richest royal collection ever found and have become part of the pharaoh's legend. Stunning artifacts in gold, their eternal brilliance sign meant to guarantee resurrection, life after death, caused a sensation at the time of the discovery and still get the most attention. but Tut was also buried with everyday things he would want in the afterlife. My dear students, in this connection, I would like to tell you that Egyptians, they believed in life after death. That's why जब इनका when they मम्मी इसको कॉफी ये करते थे, मम्मी बनाते थे, that time इसके साथ बारिड करते थे, तब क्या क्या देते थे? जस्ट सी बोर्ड गेम्स, a bronze razor, linen undergarments, cases, boxes of food and wine. All these things were given in the grave with the thought that these things will be used by the dead king after when he will get back his life. Let's proceed to the next paragraph. After months of carefully recording the pharaoh's funerary treasures, Carter began investigating his 3 nested coffins. Opening the first, he found a shroud, cover of dead body के ऊपर जो cover दिया जाता है, shroud adorned with garlands of willow, you know the tree, उसी से क्रिकेट का बैट बनता है, and olive leaves, wild celery, lotus petals and cornflowers, the faded evidence of burial in March or April. When he finally reached the mummy, though he ran into trouble, understood, he faced problem. The ritual resins जो था had hardened, cementing tooth to the bottom of his solid gold coffin के साथ, और उसको अलग करना आसान नहीं था. No amount of legitimate force could move them. His attempts proved to be futile. Understood, to remove the body, take out the body from there. Carter wrote later what was to be done. Next paragraph. The sun came beat down like a hammer. Understood? Sun, नेचर से आपको यहाँ पर और हेल्प लेना है. आप फोर्स प्रदान कर कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. द सन कैन बीट डाउन लाइक ए हैमर दिस फार साउथ इन इजिप्ट एंड कार्टर ट्राइड टू यूज इट टू लूजन द रेसिन्स. व्हाट वाज यूज्ड? सनलाइट. Understood? Sun, the heat of sun, so that वो जो रेसिन्स था वो will loosen होगा. Try to use it to loosen the resins. For several hours he set the mummy outside in blazing sunshine that heated it to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Nothing budged. Budged. Buzzed. My dear students, you should know the meaning of buzzed. Budged. So the meaning of budged. Actually, my dear students, spelling mistake is there. I am sorry for the unintentional mistake. That is budged. That means moved. Nothing moved. MOVED. Nothing buzzed. Next, he reported with scientific detachment that the consolidated material had to be chiseled away. क्या यूज़ करना है? चिजल जो है एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट, उससे उसको जस्ट फॉर कार्विंग जो दैट इज. सो चिजल नाउन, हियर इट इज यूज्ड एज वर्ब. chiseled away. Chiseled away from beneath the limbs and trunk, garden, before it was possible to raise the king's remains. So they had to face a lot of problems to just take out, separate it. Understood? So okay, let's infer word meaning. टीनेजर, यू नो, नॉट एडल्ट. टीनेजर उसी को बोलते हैं जिसका एज फ्रॉम 13 to 19. Heir means descendant, the person who will be the next king. Empire means kingdom. Laid to rest, laid, you know, laid to rest, LAID, laid, lie, lain. तो किसी को रखना प्लेस्ड, अंडरस्टूड. लेड इन द ग्रेव, कहाँ पर रखा गया था? ग्रेव में, कवर में. लेडन मीन्स कवर्ड विथ. स्पेकुलेटेड मीन्स गेस्ट. एक्सट्रीम मीन्स मोस्ट. Tooth, a young Egyptian king. Undergone means went through. Next, CT scan, a medical term, understood? A medical test in which a machine produces a picture of the inside of a person's body on a computer screen. Provides means gives, precise means exact, data means facts and figures. And next, forensic means examining dead bodies to find out the कॉज ऑफ डेथ. फॉरेंसिक कहते हैं ना, जज के लिए भेजा गया है विद द डेथ. अंडरस्टूड. जब मिस्ट्री डेथ रहता है तब ऐसा बॉडीज को फॉरेंसिक जजमेंट के लिए भेजा जाता है. बॉयस मीन्स लुकिंग लाइक ए बॉय. फेराओ एन इजिप्टियन किंग और रूलर. स्टार्ट अप गिव राइज टू. डस्ट डेविल्स, fearful devil-like shapes. Symmetry, coverstall, the place where dead bodies are buried. Dark-bellied, dark and bulging. Next word, scudded across. Clouds moved quickly across the sky. Veiling, covering. Casket gray, gray colored box. Casket means box. Mummy, a preserved dead body. Gilded means moved, or gilded means covered with gold. Scanner means examining machine. An examining machine. Probe means examine. Lingering means hanging for a long time. जो मैटर अभी भी लिंगर कर रहा है. Descendant means came. Cramped means narrow. Rock cut, made after cutting rocks. Murals, paintings done on the walls. Burial chamber, grave room. Burial chamber means grave room. Peered means looked closely, verb. Gilded, now you have got the word gilded, covered with gold. Striking, remarkable. Coffin, box in which dead body is kept. Pondering means thinking deeply. Cars, evil blessings. Antiquities means very old things. Legend, leaned means bent or stooped. STOOPD. Or next, archaeologist. Who was the archaeologist? Carter, a scientist who studies ancient remains. Futile means without giving any result. Fruitless. Contents, things. Hastily, in a hurry. Ransacked हो जाएगा my dear students. RANSACKED हो जाएगा. Looted. Stunning, search thoroughly भी होता है from one store to another. Stunning means wonderful. Artifacts means things of arts made from hands. Brilliance means shine. Resurrection, rebirth. Cases, boxes. Nested, fitted inside each other. Shroud, cover of dead body. Coverage of dead body. Next word, that is BUDGD. Budged means moved. Detachment means objectivity. Consolidated means collected. Chiseled away, separated with a chisel. Trunk, the main part of the body. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you very much for you have listened to me with the greatest concentration. Thank you once again.